Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Villanueva Adventures. Today we're gonna do another hiking, so stay with me. I'm gonna show you a beautiful hike. So let's get ready because it's really early in the morning. It's about 5 a.m. So we're gonna head out. What's up, guys? We have arrived to Yosemite National Park, so we're gonna do a small trail. We're gonna go to this beautiful waterfall. Vamos a explorar esta nueva cascada aquí en Yosemite. So acabamos de llegar. It's basically 10-12 a.m. so looks pretty nice. It's not that cold, even though we still have snow up there at the mountains. Se ve padre la nieve todavía en las montañas. So we're gonna head out. I don't know how many miles are we gonna do for this hike. Let me check real quick. So we got the restrooms here. It's a very small parking lot at the bottom here near the restrooms. So the waterfall is the Chilnualna Falls. That's what it's called, the Chilnualna Falls in Yosemite. So I guess we are here, and we're gonna head out all the way to this waterfall, beautiful waterfall. It's a little emergent trail up the hills, the mountains. So let's check it out, guys. So acompáñenme en esta aventura, amigos. No olviden darle like, suscribirse. Vamos a ver qué tal. Keep watching, guys. So I know it's gonna be a 8.2 miles round trip, which is 13 kilometers. 13 kilómetros vamos a caminar para esta cascada. So let's see how we can handle this. Okay, so we're gonna take this trail to the left. We're gonna see where are we going. Warning, mountain lion in area, guys, so be careful. Here we go. So that pretty much is the river roaring. It's pretty strong current. ¿Esa de una vez o qué? Salud. Whoa. I don't know if this is the waterfall already, but no, I guess not. This is one of them. It's beautiful. Aquí Yosemite National Park. Whoa. Wow. Woo. Oh my God, look at this. Oh Lord. This is pretty amazing, guys. So beautiful. trail. We're gonna do a bunch of stairs, un montón de escalones para el ejercicio. Aquí bajamos las calorías, el pan, las tortas que nos comimos en la semana. This is a good workout. I love the stairs. One of my favorite stairs. Yep. Estoy diciendo. Stock trail. Foot trail. Let me see. Chiquita Pass. Moraine. Mose. Fernandez Pass, Chilnualna Pass, Falls, 4.1. Okay, this is where we're going. So vamos a continuar this way. Wow, it's all the trails uphill, so it's pretty intense.
Se nos fue una pinche tarántula, un 100 pies.
Estos arbolitos se ven padres. Ahora la moda. Wow. Look at this huge rock ahead of us. Una montaña de piedra, de granito. Ya traes hambre.
Hay que darnos un puto palo mejor.
Ah, ya.
Por si sale algo.
Whoa. I can hear the sound of water. Escucha hermoso el agua aquí. Miren nada más. Siento que hay otra chorro de agua por allá. Pero no se ve ahí. Qué bárbaro. Look at this. Por acá. Ando cruzando ríos y cruzando montañas para olvidarte. Wow. Look at all these trees. What happened here? Look like a tornado. ¿Qué ha pasado? Mucho árbol caído, mucho soldado caído. Pero, oh, qué belleza. Nos tocó el día, cloudy day, so there's no sun, but it's still good. It's looking great so far. The trail it's about 4 miles, 8 miles back and forth. So we're gonna try to reach the end to the waterfall. Oof. Esta soledad. This trail is very lonely. I haven't seen a soul in this trail. It's like so quiet. There's no people at all. I don't know where's all the people. Maybe at Vernal Falls, Yosemite Falls, the valley, but not here. And also it looks like it's gonna rain. No sabemos si nos va a caer un chubasco de lluvia o no, but it looks like we're gonna have to take cover in some area if it does. But I prefer this quietness than than big crowds. De veras. Oh, ¿cuántos escalones más? Look at this. Wow. Got so many stairs. Rough trail. See? ¿Y tú?
Mira, está para allá el camino, güey.
Guys, thought this was gonna be an easy hike, but imagine 4 miles going uphill. It's really tough. I did Yosemite Falls, which it was 3.5. This one is 4.2. It's a little longer. So más larga, más pesada, más subida, extremadamente. So it's kicking my ass. Me está dando duro esta subidita, pero está muy bello. Está muy bella la cascada. It's worth it. Challenge yourself. You're gonna enjoy this trail. Oh man, I need strength. Necesito obtener más fuerzas. This is paradise, but it's hard. Lo admito, está difícil, pero pues ya casi llegamos arriba de la montaña. Just to see this amazing waterfall. So stay tuned to see this beauty. Hermanos, sí que está alto acá. Puchica voz. Qué bárbaro. Me ando desmayando ya con esta altura. Pero voy disfrutando el paisaje. My legs are very tired. I just gotta take a few breaks more. Continue my journey. This is a very lonely trail. Very lonely. Or I don't know, because of the weather, or it's just a lonely trail that nobody knows about. But I'll be showing you guys what is it at the end of the trail, which is worth it. Me encanta. Pues deja ver si quepo, hermano. That was very tight. Had to squeeze in. Qué bárbaro. We're getting close, guys. Look at the waterfall over there. It has plenty of water. Look at the one we found here. Es una pequeña cascada que corre de acá, pero la meta es llegar a aquella, a la grande. Wow. Beauty. Beautiful. Oh ho. Sí, creo que va así en subidita para allá. So we still got a mile and a half to go. So I think we're almost there before it rains, because these clouds look pretty heavy and dark. A ver si no nos agarra la lluvia, hermanos. Okay guys, we already hit 3 miles. So we got 1.2 miles to go to the big waterfall. Nos queda muy poco más, como 1 milla exactos para llegar a la cascada. Pero se ve impresionante esta cascada. O sea, se ve imponente. Ahorita que tiene mucha agua. It's amazing. Ahorita con la nieve, que todavía hay nieve, entonces se ve súper padre. Pero miren el camino, qué bello. Sí.
Los lentes creo que ya no van
¿Se
grabando.
descargaron o qué?
Pues, no toma fotos.
You can hear it, guys. I know you can hear it from here. This is this big waterfall. It's a big chunk of water. I think we're very close to it. Pero estamos a una altura impresionante. Casi al nivel de esa montaña, porque desde que veníamos la estaba viendo desde abajo. Pero se miraba súper alta. Y no puedo creer que ya estamos acá. Desde acá, miren. O sea, qué bárbaro. This is the sign, guys. The stairs. This is one of the last stairs to get to the waterfall. It looks like we're going above, up and up. It's amazing, guys. It's very cool, I can say. Stairs way to heaven. Oh man, this is very cool. Qué vista tan impresionante tengo desde acá. Es una barbaridad. Dímelo. Bienvenidos a la cascada. Bueno, amigos, solo quiero hacerles una invitación a la próxima hiking, para que vengan al hiking de restauración, de gratitud. Sea un hiking más que nada de gratitud, por agradecer algo en tu vida, por estar grato con la vida, con Dios. Acá es el momento de hacer un hiking de gratitud. Es muy bueno. So, les invito a que lo hagan, o para la otra vez que se quieran apuntar, háganme saber, porque aquí vamos a un hermoso hiking de gratitud. ¡Qué bárbaro! ¿Pero qué es esto, hermano? Wow. Se puede escuchar el golpe impresionante del agua aquí abajo, pero se los quiero mostrar. Vean esto, mis hermanos. Look at the nature and beauty of God. Bueno, amigos, les presento la cascada hermosa de Yosemite. Parte desde allá hasta acá. Impresionante. Qué bárbaro. Pero miren esto. Wow. Qué belleza, hermanos. I'm so glad I'm here. This is very nice. Es día de gratitud. puedo acercarme más. This is one of my best days, guys, here in Yosemite. One of the most beautiful waterfalls, and it's pretty amazing. Póntela, está frío, ¿no? Acá arriba está más frío. Si en el volcán, entre más arriba, más frío hacía. Y aquí está igual. Guys, I just want to say we're almost at the top of the waterfall, but the wind is very cold. It's very cold up here. So don't ever forget to bring your jacket, a good sweater, because it gets cold at the top. We're in a very high altitude. I'm not sure how much, but it is very high, because I can see the bottom where we started, and we're now at the top, so it's cold. Mucho frío, hermanos, bastante. Yo con mi suétercito, pero pues aún me da el frío. Pero estas cascadas se ven magníficas. Es una excelencia de la belleza de nuestro creador en la naturaleza, se refleja. So, les invito, amigos, hagamos un hiking de gratitud, So, así que para la próxima será ese hiking de gratitud. No. Okay, guys, so we're at the last waterfall here. It looks pretty amazing. We're just down there, but the view is amazing, guys. We're very, very high. Excelente se ve esto, hermanos, pero está haciendo mucho frío. So, yo creo que me voy a ir a sentar allá abajo para comer algo, porque acá arriba está el frío. It's very cold.
¿Tú te subes o no?
No.
¿Por qué no? Ahí mira, güey.
All right, guys, we're headed back down because the rain might start now and it's getting pretty cold. So this was the amazing waterfall here in Yosemite. Hope you guys liked it. No olviden suscribirse, darle like, compartir, amigos, seguirme para la siguiente aventura. See you guys next adventure. Qué frío. Alright, guys, we made it back before the rain, even though it's already started to rain. Ya nos agarró la lluvia, pero pues ya casi, ya llegamos por fin. So that was a very, very fast downhill. We did like an hour and 20 minutes back down. We took less than going up, but I'm glad we're back. So hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys liked the trail, the waterfall here in Yosemite. I'll leave you the name so you guys can do this. But it was a good hike. It was such a beautiful hike. I mean, it's kind of hard to pronounce the waterfall. Chilnualna Falls in Yosemite. Chilnualna Falls in Yosemite. So see you guys next adventure. Gracias por ver, amigos. Nos vemos en la próxima aventura. Espero les haya gustado este hiking trail. Got my calories. 7.8 miles. That was my trip. No, tú?
How's it going?
Hey, good. How are you now?
Good.